Understanding leaf mulch, a gardener's gold. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, leaf mulch, a term that's especially loved by gardeners and nature enthusiasts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what it means, but also how it's used in both gardening and in conversation. Let's start by breaking down the phrase into two parts, leaf and mulch. A leaf is the flat, typically green part of a plant or tree that grows from the stem or branch. It's a word you're likely familiar with. Mulch, on the other hand, refers to a material spread over the surface of the soil to protect or improve the area for plant growth. Now, when we combine these two words to form the phrase, leaf mulch, we're talking about a specific type of mulch made from leaves. Leaf mulch is created by collecting fallen leaves and using them to cover the soil. This has several benefits for the garden. It helps to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health as the leaves break down over time. In gardening, leaf mulch is like a protective blanket for the soil. It's spread around plants, bushes, and over garden beds. As it decomposes, it adds valuable nutrients back into the soil, which benefits the garden's ecosystem. So, in many ways, leaf mulch is considered gardener's gold, due to its ability to enhance the quality and fertility of the soil. When you hear someone talk about leaf mulch, they might be discussing gardening techniques or sharing tips on sustainable living practices. It's a term that can come up in conversations about eco-friendly habits or even in a broader discussion about recycling and composting. Now that you're familiar with it, you can confidently join such discussions or understand them better when they come up. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation has shed some light on what leaf mulch is and why it's so valuable, both in the garden and as a phrase in the English language. Remember, language learning is like gardening. It takes time, patience, and practice to grow. Keep nurturing your skills, and you'll reap the benefits in no time. Until our next video, happy learning!